Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to use TeamViewer. So firstly, of course, you need to install it. So for that, just type in TeamViewer, I already have it, great. Go to the official website, the very first link, and guys, as you can see on the top right, we have free download button. Just where it says TeamViewer free, press on download TeamViewer. So guys, basically, there's going to be a little bit of a difference here in terms of which actual piece of software you want to grab. So guys, as you can see, also as written in here, so if you want to provide support, you will need to download the TeamViewer stock version. And if you want to just receive support, you can download the quick support. So this is to receive support. So if, for example, you have some issues with your computer and you have an expert that will help you with fixing those issues, you need to download the one on the right. In my case, I will just download the one on the left, press on it, and as you can see guys, start download. And now we can install it. So open it up. So default installation. You can also start it with Windows if you want. Accept. Installation only takes a few seconds. Okay, almost done. Okay, now it's done. Just accept the EULA and continue. And now guys, we are presented with this window. As you can see, very simple. So the way to use this app is you just need to sign in with your account. If, for example, you have your premium, some kind of features maybe that you've purchased. If not, you can just use it for free. You don't have to necessarily log in. And after that, guys, you can, of course, do only the two things, which is to receive support and to give support. So, for example, if you want to receive support on this app, you just give the recipient your ID, not the recipient, that's the person that's going to control your computer. You give the ID of yours, you can just copy it with this button, and of course your password. And after that, the person that will control your PC inserts both of this information in their device. It may be a mobile as well, or a desktop PC, or a laptop, and they control your PC. Also guys, in the settings, make sure to set your, in your advanced settings, so show advanced options, make sure to set, as you can see where we have access control, make sure to set full access if it's not enabled, okay? Also, if you don't want to do that, you can show confirm all. So when, for example, the person that's controlling your PC wants to perform some kind of action, you need to confirm it. It's for additional security pretty much. But in general, full access is going to be the way. And pretty much, guys, if you want to control someone else's PC, you need to grab their code that they will give you, insert it in this session code field right here, press join session, then input the password, and you will easily connect to the device. So that's pretty much the tutorial. The app is extremely easy to use, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If it helped you, press like and subscribe, leave a comment as well, and click on that notification button to not miss new fresh uploads. See you soon.